Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Caf-Lib Pineapple Beige Edition. First thing you gotta do is you pour in the rest of the sparkling water that's pineapple is left over from this can into this mug. Then after that, you pour in the Caf-Lib with Chicory into this mug. Then, last but not least, you add in a splash of milk. And then, you blow on it, and then, there you go. Here is your Carbonated Caf-Lib with Chicory Pineapple Beige Edition. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching. Cheers and peace.